And if I'm not wrong, you folks have also added Akuity Intelligence
Yes.
with agentic capabilities to detect, diagnose, and resolve delivery
Yes.
issues. How does that change day-to-day life of platform teams, SRE teams?
So it's
And
kind
also talk a bit about what you have built also.
yeah. We basically build this agentic experience, basically help you doing the triaging, remediation, and the verification. It's kind of like whole loop. Is we know when something happened, we know what to look to get into the bottom of it. We know what is the right solution to fix something. We can take in the action in the automatic fashion, and we can verify the result in the end. It's kind of like a closed loop thing for the agentic experience. So what we are seeing that is, I actually have an example. We actually published our article with you guys like last year. So there was a AWS incident last year. It's caused by DynamoDB or DNS issue. So we got affected also because we're running on our infrastructure on AWS. So our Docker registry was broken. So, but we do have a backup. So our engineer got a wake up, pager duty call, wake up at 1 a.m. So then we started to look at the issue. Oh, image pullback off. So this registry cannot be taking the image now. So the guy will say, hey, we can just switch over to our backup. That's fine. He fixed it. He went back to sleep. 5 minutes later, another pager duty call. A different application, exactly the same symptom. So he said, no, I don't want to stay up the whole night to fixing all those issues. What he did is he started to writing this runbook, human-readable runbook, only 2 lines. Symptom, image pullback off error from Docker registry A. Solution, override the registry A to be registry B. Okay, apply to all the application of my infrastructure. So what happened is there's another 20 more cases over the night for exactly the same symptom, same problem. And my engineer didn't wake up anymore. Because AI just took the job. AI said, oh, I look at what's going on. I look at what should be solution. He did it override automatically. And in the morning, sure, we look at it, oh, AI actually took the action like 25 times or 20 sometimes. Then we know it's safe. Basically, we know we asked the AI to do exactly what we want. That's a game changing for them and for us in the end.
The amount of work AI is doing, as long as you know what you're doing,
Yes.
AI is a very powerful tool,
Yes.
but you need to be a good operator as well. So every time I hear people talk about AI slop and all those things, I'm like, you have no clue what it is capable of doing and what it is already doing, So sometimes it feels like frustration to look at how much it is doing, You're looking at 1% mistakes, but you're not looking at 90% right things in there. And the amount of time it is saving, amount of resources it is saving, and also it is making developer more efficient.
Yes.
Because as you said, you are not losing your sleep, which means you are fresh next day, which means you can be more innovative and creative. You're not chasing a problem, you are building something better.
Exactly. Like in this particular case I just shared it's a well-known issue, well-documented issue. So you are not even learning something new from resolving that issue.
Exactly.
More like if you well understood the problem, why not let AI to do the autopilot and the autonomous fix there?
Yeah.
On the other side, I also see that is we are not seeing that AI will took over all the work. So in this case, are we thinking the man, human has providing a very substantial value here is, as I said, is the action to take is actually not AI come up with some random idea. Hey, here's the way I will fix it. It's actually coming from the runbook,
right,
which written by the human or certified by the human, means we want more like AI to give us a more deterministic result. That's why when we design our AI SRE capability, we want to have that runbook. We want the human to get involved, to getting their opinion, getting their preference, to be passing that as the additional context to the AI to make things happen.